Welcome to Right Choose. Top 10 Best Automatic Espresso Machine in 2025. Top 1. DeLonghi Eletta Explore Espresso Machine with Cold Brew, Automatic Hot and Cold Milk Frother for 50+ OneTouch recipes, Built-in Grinder, ECM 45086S. 50+ OneTouch recipes. 50+ hot and cold recipes including espresso, cappuccino, latte, iced cappuccino, iced latte, cold brew and more at the touch of a button. Built-in grinder. The built-in grinder delivers a precise, consistent dose of freshly ground coffee for all your favorite espresso beverages including lattes, cappuccinos, cold brew, iced lattes. With 13 grind settings, explore your favorite bean varieties and prepare them for optimal extraction. Hot and cold foam technology. 2 latte crema systems with hot and cold foam technology. The Latte Crema Hot System textures milk or your favorite milk alternatives to perfection for your favorite classic espresso beverages, latte, cappuccino, etc. The Latte Crema Cool System delivers velvety milk cold. Top 2. KitchenAid Fully Automatic Espresso Machine KF8 with milk attachment and plant-based milk options, 8,558 Kenyan shillings SX, stainless steel. Create personalized drinks with the touch of a button and choose from 40+ recipe options like espresso, americano, latte, cappuccino and more. Removable bean hopper allows you to simply twist and lift to easily remove the bean hopper to empty, exchange or refill with fresh beans to suit your taste. The Clean Me indicator light alerts you when the espresso machine requires a cleaning cycle, and the cleaning cycle is programmable for varying water hardness levels, from whole milk to plant-based. Simply fill up the included milk container with your favorite milk and automatically create personalized milk drinks. With a dual drink delivery system, automatic milk frothing and heating feature gives you the exact amount of milk needed with the push of a button. Top 3. DeLonghi Dinamica Plus Espresso and Coffee Machine, Automatic Milk Frother, 24+ OneTouch recipes. Enjoy lattes, cappuccinos, and more. ECAM 38085SB. Enjoy 24 OneTouch or customized espresso drinks including latte, espresso, cappuccino, flat white, iced coffee, regular coffee and more. Built-in conical burr grinder with 13 settings ensures freshly ground coffee with any beans of your choice. Latte Crema Hot System for frothing milk or milk alternatives. The automatic, customizable system delivers a creamy, rich foam leaving you with the perfect end result. 3.5 inches TFT full touch screen, colorful display, and soft touch buttons to quickly sort through and customize recipes. Smart OneTouch system recognizes your preferences and lists your most frequently selected drinks first. Top 4. MilkPerfection 6360 MilkPerfection Automatic Coffee Machine, OneTouch for 2, AromaticSystem, 8 individual profiles, DoubleShot, Wi-Fi-compatible, LED lighting, in Lotus White CleanSteel Metallic. AromaticSystem. The CM6360 coffee machine wows with its dynamic brewing system and quiet grinder made of wear-resistant steel, while the gentle brilliant light LED light sets the scene for every cup. From coffee, espresso, to hot milk, conjure up creamy milk froth for a range of drinks and prepare up to 8 cups at a time with the included coffee pot. Adjust grind and water quantity in expert mode, OneTouch for 2, with just a touch of a button you can make 2 of any specialty drink. Save your favorite drinks in one of up to 8 individual connoisseur profiles. Convenient coffee making. Communication with the countertop coffee machine could not be easier thanks to Wi-Fi Connect. Each beverage can be prepared in twice the quantity with the DoubleShot function. Top 5. MilkPerfection 5310 Silence Automatic Coffee Maker, with OneTouch for 2, AromaticSystem, Coffee Pot, Cleaning Programs and more, in Obsidian Black. AromaticSystem. The CM5310 automatic coffee machine wows with its dynamic brewing system and quiet grinder made of wear-resistant steel, for intense coffee aroma and flavor-conserving grinding. From coffee, espresso, latte macchiato to hot milk, conjure up creamy milk froth for a diverse range of specialty drinks and prepare up to 8 cups at a time thanks to the machine's included coffee pot, OneTouch for 2. With just a touch of a button you can make 2 of any specialty drink. In addition to the bean container, this bean-to-cup machine also has a drawer for ground coffee. Comfort clean. Many components of the coffee machine, including the water tank and waste container, are dishwasher safe. The milk pipework is automatically cleaned after every drink made with milk. Top 6. Jura E4 automatic coffee machine, piano white, with CLEARYL Smart Plus water filtration, 6 cleaning tablets and East Coast blend whole bean coffee, 4 items. Bundle includes, Jura E4 automatic coffee machine, piano white, with Jura CLEARYL Smart Plus filter cartridge water stabilizer with RFID technology and 2V certified hygiene, East Coast blend whole bean coffee, 1 pound, Jura 3-phase 6 cleaning tablets, easy to use, maximum flavor, minimum complexity. Pre-selection functions allow the user to define their own personal aroma preferences, freshly ground, not capsuled. The defining features of the professional aroma grinder include 12.2% more aroma and consistently high grind quality over its entire service life. Hot water, fancy a cup of tea for a change? No problem. Simply turn the switch to start hot water preparation and up to 300 milliliters of hot water will flow into the cup in no time at all. Harmonious design. The E4 reflects the characteristic design of Jura.
Top 7.
Bosch TQU60307800 Series Vero Cafe fully automatic espresso machine with Home Connect, 36 beverage varieties with Coffee World, double cup, integrated milk. Brew it your way at the touch of a button, whether you're in the mood for a latte macchiato, cappuccino, or espresso. The active select display makes it easy to make any drink you like. Customize your coffee, adjust the strength and aroma of any coffee-based drink by choosing from one of the 3 different aroma profiles: mild, balanced, or distinctive. Barista service at home. Use the Home Connect app to control your espresso machine from the couch or as you're heading home, and discover 35+ delicious beverages, easy to maintain. The CLEARYL Clean feature provides a step-by-step guide to easily clean and descale your espresso machine when needed, allowing for full-bodied flavor and optimal care.
Top 8.
DeLonghi La Specialista Maestro Espresso Machine with Cold Brew and Espresso Cool. Perfect, consistent grinding with a built-in grinder with 15 precise settings that ensures the optimal single or double dose and grind size. Smart tamping technology eliminates the guesswork and mess when tamping. Simply pull the lever to tamp and achieve an even tamp and consistent extraction every time. La Specialista Maestro has a 19-bar Italian pump that delivers the perfect pressure needed throughout the brewing process, from low pressure during pre-infusion to the optimal 9 bars of high pressure during extraction. With 5 infusion temperatures, active temperature control provides stability and control in the brewing process. Customize temperature settings at the touch of a button to match water infusion temperature to beans for the optimal extraction.
Top 9.
Bosch TPU60501800 Series Vero Cafe fully automatic espresso machine with Home Connect, glass milk container, 36 beverage varieties with Coffee World, double cup, in metallic silver. Brew it your way at the touch of a button, whether you're in the mood for a latte macchiato, cappuccino, or espresso. The active select display makes it easy to make any drink you like. Customize your coffee, adjust the strength and aroma of any coffee-based drink by choosing from one of the 3 different aroma profiles: mild, balanced, or distinctive. Barista service at home. Use the Home Connect app to control your espresso machine from the couch or as you're heading home, and discover 35+ delicious beverages, easy to maintain. The CLEARYL Clean feature provides a Step-by-step guide to easily clean and descale your espresso machine when needed, allowing for full-bodied flavor and optimal care. What's in the box? 1X Bosch Vero Cafe 800 Series Fully Automatic Espresso Machine TPU 60501, 1X Mivia Water Filter, 1X Mivia Water Filter Insertion Aid, 1X Connection Hose for MilkPerfection. MilkPerfection.
Top 10.
Dura-Ena 8 Touchscreen Full Metropolitan Black number 15496. Versatility: automatic coffee machine prepares coffee specialties at the touch of a button, freshly ground, not capsuled, with the option to add an extra shot to milk specialties. Operation: intuitive, user-friendly touchscreen display and optional artificial intelligence. Customization: programmable coffee strength, volume, temperature, grinder, professional aroma grinder for more aroma in the cup using fresh, whole beans or optional pre-ground coffee. Technology: 2-cup function, pulse extraction process, OneTouch Americano and milk specialty function, 8th generation brew unit with 3D brewing technology, intelligent preheating and more. Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.